Okay, got some more deals here for you, and I've put them all on a spreadsheet like I've done before. I think if you've been on the channel before, you know how the spreadsheet works. Just drop straight back down and have a look through it. But also I'm going to run through some of the deals and why I've sort of picked them out, and also how convoluted their website's getting. It's getting worse, I think. So just for example, up here I've put in the main sort of click through to certain pages. So you've got the deals pages all down here. Then we come into some special offers that you will get discount, and then down here we've got sort of the Black Friday deals and everything. Now if you're new to the channel, basically GearBest send out loads and loads of spreadsheets, literally sheet on sheet on sheet, and it's really confusing to go through. I've just found an easy way of just chopping it all down and getting it to the RC stuff that I think you'd be interested in on the channel, and hopefully there's some good deals there. I don't check every single one, I do check a few of them to make sure we have got the cheapest price. So let's just do the first thing. So to get onto the Black Friday main page, you simply just hover over the link here. That will give you a little hyperlink here, and then left button mouse click on there, and then you're into it. Now look how confusing this is. You've got stuff at the top here that's coming up. You can ask it to remind you. You can grab deals and everything else, and then you carry on through here. You've got RC toys and 3D printers. So kind of a weird random thing. But also in this bit here, which says nothing about RC, you've got a random Happy Model Mobula 7. So, you know, they're just all over the place, I think, anyway. So let's just click through on this one as well. So that brings us through, and now we've got 3D toys, 3D printers and our RC stuff. And then you've got to click through again to get onto another page where it goes into more info. Now there's some good deals in here, but it's a pain to get through, and you have to keep up and down here. So the way I've done it, let me go back to my original one here. If you want that page, you go to RC page and 3D printers. So this is going to be mostly RC stuff. I don't know why 3D printers are in there, no idea at all. Hover over the link, it will give you a hyperlink. Left button mouse click there, you're straight into the page that you wanted to get into, and you've got all your deals coming up. So there are some good deals in here, so all you have to do is use these codes. But I've also got some other special codes as well that will get you some other discounts. I've left in a few of their other stuff that they've had in here, toys and hobbies, because there is some RC stuff stuck in there, and they're literally all over the place on the website. So this should get you to the page that hopefully you'll find the deals that I would suggest are going to be pretty good for you. Then if I come down here, as I said, if you simply go onto the main area, and anything that's in here that hasn't got a discount on it, so it's normal price, you can get a discount code on. So let's just go for the racers here, and then anything that you're looking at buying that hasn't got a discount on, all you have to do is copy this code here and then paste it in when you get to the checkout, and it will take 6% off your prices in any RC, and that actually says toys and hobbies, but I'm obviously an RC channel. They also do a site-wide one, so if you go on here, this will just get you to your main page for GearBest. Pick out whatever you're buying, clothes or whatever you want. Come back here, make sure you copy this one, and then you'll get 5% discount on any non-sale items. So these are all just click-throughs to pages, and then off you go. You can, hopefully you'll be in the right area. So let's have a look at some of the deals they've got going on. Now if I scan right the way down, you've got flash deals here. So basically you've just got stuff at a reduced price. One I particularly picked out was this $42.99. Now these are all in dollars, and that's for the JJRC H68. That's a good price for it, and it's a great quad, especially if you're a beginner. You get about 20 minutes flight out of it, and it's a nice flyer as well. Done a full review on that, and I'll put a link down in description. You've also got deals on quads that are sort of going out. You've got the Bugs 2. Nothing wrong with the quad at all. Really nice quad and everything, but they're putting that out at $92.99. A nice brushless quad. They're super quads, but there's the new ones coming out. You've got some built-in deals on Mavic. A friend emailed me, and he actually picked up one of these, and he thought it was a really good price. These are the ones that they just released today, that I've just popped them in. There's some good deals in here. I have had a go with my mate's Emax Baby Hawk, the R136, and I really like it. It's a nice little quad. It does fly nicely, nice and robust as well. Coming in at $140.49. You can get it for $115.99 if you use this code. So we're going to use this one, but what we're going to do before we do anything is left button mouse click here, and then right button mouse click, and then just copy this code, and then we're going to use that when we go to the checkout. Come back to here and hover over the link, click on the hyperlink, That'll bring you into the page, and it's coming up at $149. Add it to your cart, and then come up to your cart, view your cart, and then proceed to checkout. And you're into the checkout. This is where you want to paste any coupons you've got from any of the areas that I've just shown you. So you can left button mouse click into there, right button mouse click and paste, or you can use Control V on your keyboard, apply that, and it'll drop it down to $115.99. So that's a good price for a nice little quad, I think. And then obviously just place your order and you're away. Now that works on any of these. The way I do it is copy the code, then go through the hyperlink. Then you don't have to come back to the spreadsheet and go back and forwards. You only have to do one way through, sort of thing. And there's some cars in here as well. You've got the DJI Spark and everything. So loads and loads of stuff. Just have a quick scan through. Okay, so that's the Black Friday deals out of the way for now, but there is more coming out, and if I see or spot any nice ones, I'll obviously make another little video for you, because these seem to be quite popular. And I want to announce the winner of the Vizio XS809 that I was giving away last week. The granddaughter picked this out with apparently a squidgy unicorn, because that's what you use on Granddad's laptop when you want to pick out competition winners. And the winner of it is Rick Waring. So congratulations to him, and hopefully I'll be running some more competitions next month. Do hope you have a good weekend and pick up some nice RC bargains. I'll see you on the next one.